Hey, this is Mike with Skinner Screens. We're at a customer's home in Sun City today, and we're measuring her windows for solar screens and allergy guard screens. So this window is a fixed window, which will get a solar screen. So the way we're going to measure this is we're going to measure from total width, total height, and build our screen this way. So we're going to come to this edge and go to the opposite edge, and we're going to get a measurement of 23 inches. And we're going to come from the bottom edge to the top edge, and we're at 59 inches. And that's how large we're going to build this screen for this window. We're going to build a different type of screen. We're going to put an allergy guard screen on this one. And we're just going to take this out. We're going to remove this screen, because this screen fits pretty good. This appears to be the original screen that came with the window, so we're going to measure the width on it. So I got 34 9/16 on the width. We're going to measure the height. We want to make sure it fits. I'm going outside dimensions to outside dimensions. I've got 57 3/4. So this screen will be a allergy guard screen with those dimensions. And if you have any other questions about how to measure your screens, give us a call at Skinner's, 512-863-5145, or on the web at skinnersscreens.com.